My name is Jasmine Braff, and I'm the operations manager at Center Theater Group. We're the biggest theater in the West. We have 3 theaters in general, and we have a lot of things that we need to get from place to place. It's easier to find all the information in something like FMX for all of the equipment and resources we have rather than, in a SharePoint or like hoping that it's in the SharePoint. It gives me the ability to focus on other things rather than searching and researching. I can actually, lay out everything that needs to get done and get that handed off to the right person. My boss always likes to say, if I'm ever hit by a bus, you should know exactly what needs to get done. And I think this is one of those systems where it's like, yeah, if I'm hit by a bus, it's all there. From the stories I've heard in the past, they used text messages to, send out information to the drivers. And so when I hear those stories about them using text messages or email or I think they had like an Excel sheet going at one point. I'm very glad that we don't have to do that anymore. Like on top of the 3 theaters that we have 3 other buildings. In all of that, we also have like multiple rehearsal rooms and like single use spaces or meeting rooms. And we have so many different departments that one might want to use the rehearsal room for a production. They can actually look in FMX themselves and kind of see exactly what they need to get done or what is available for them. Our IT department uses it for all of our technology and inventorying that. It's been really, really helpful for being able to communicate with like every single department. Everything is the top of the list all the time, and now because we have all of these expectations laid out, we don't necessarily need to say no. People aren't asking us for unrealistic things anymore. They kind of solve the issues for themselves. There's a lot of different ways that you can utilize FMX, and funny enough, we actually had somebody leave and go to a different theater and message us and say, we are using FMX now.